Hey guys, it's Tamari and I'm back again with another video. You couldn't tell by the title, today's video is going to be a DIY tutorial on how to make this graphic tee. Before I get into this video, I just want to give a disclaimer. I did not come up with this idea. I saw it on TikTok first, but then when I came and I looked it up because I'm like, this is really like a simple tutorial, so I wonder if anybody else has ever done it. So I looked it up on YouTube and like tons and tons of people have done it. So I'm not gonna give credit to any one person just because like so many people have done it, but it's a really simple and easy quick tutorial. Like, it's amazing how easy it is to do. I don't know why I didn't know about it sooner. If you want to learn how I made this shirt with Bryson Tiller on it, just keep watching. And before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe. We're so close to 200 subs, and I mean, I'm so excited to see what the future holds. I'm excited for all the content that I'm going to be posting as this year goes on, and I'm just excited in general. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, so for this tutorial, you're going to need a shirt of your liking, preferably cotton. I've just found that it transfers better on cotton. Some scissors, some parchment paper, any brand, some cling wrap, any brand as well, a picture of your choice. You're just gonna print it out on regular printing paper, and you can print it out in color or in black and white. And last but not least, you're gonna need an iron. So first things first, you're gonna take your picture, and then you're gonna take a cut piece of cling wrap, and what you're gonna do is just make sure you put your picture like this, and then you're gonna fold your saran wrap over very neatly around the edges, like so. And I have a lot of excess, so I'm gonna cut some of this off. You can cut off some of the excess. Like, as you can see, there is like a ton. But you want to be sure that the cling wrap completely covers the back of the picture, because the cling wrap is gonna act as an adhesive and stick the paper to your shirt. So your picture should look like this when you're done. Pretty shiny. Just make sure it's wrapped around those edges really nice. Then you're gonna take a piece of parchment paper. I've already cut mine, but you just want to cut it so that it's a tad bit bigger than your picture. As you can see, my picture is like showing through. The parchment paper is bigger than the picture. I'm just gonna take off my parchment paper and make sure that my picture is exactly where I want it to be on the shirt. So I'm just gonna put the parchment paper back over it and make sure it stays down. And next I'm just gonna place my iron over it, and I'm gonna let it sit here for a second. Now, because I'm using a small picture, I can just leave it like this. But if you're using a bigger picture, you might want to leave it in certain areas for about 5 minutes. Okay, just one last time to make sure it's really on there. You can do it for as long as you feel is necessary. The iron isn't really gonna burn anything because the parchment paper keeps it from burning. And then I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so now it's time. And voila, there it is. This is the final result. The glare of my light is kind of making it look like super shiny, and it's not that shiny in person, but yep, there you have it. This is it. Quick and easy graphic tee. Alright guys, that is all that I have for this video. There is a disclaimer that I forgot to mention in the video, and it's just that this shirt is not super duper long term. If you want a shirt, like a graphic tee that you can make that lasts a little bit longer, I do suggest using transfer paper, because then the shirt will last pretty much forever. But I think this is a really cool hack or DIY for like if you're in a pinch. Like let's say you're going to an artist concert tomorrow and you have all these pictures of them, but you have no transfer paper. Boom, now you got a shirt. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.